So hi guys, it's 5:15 by the watch. I'm Jessica Pani. I'm the founder and CEO of Amdecon Design. We're in the business of designing and manufacturing home and office decor and interior solutions. So yesterday there was a share that I had, which was on plants and nature. So do plants feel you around and stuff? So many of us have grown up and we understand science and biology that plants feel the music that you have and stuff. But did you know that plants can feel your energy and your presence around? So try this. You place some plants in your house and you have some positive music playing and you have some good music playing and water them, take care of them, switch off the music and stuff, water them, take care of them and stuff, and see how it is. So what happens is that apparently this is a research in some international places, and I know that for sure because I'm in design and architecture and stuff. That plants definitely can feel you, and I don't mean the music. They can feel your energy. So when you have plants placed in the lobby, when you have plants placed in your bedrooms, when you have plants placed in the balcony, they can feel your energy and your aura. So if you're in a good energy, plants respond to that. If you're in a bad energy, plants respond to that and stuff. Okay, so it's not just music, it's also your own energy. So take a look at this because plants and flowers, who doesn't like flowers and who doesn't like plants? They reduce your stress, they kind of give you this purpose of taking care of them. They make you feel good and great and stuff. And flowers for sure. Let me show you. So here I am, some beautiful flowers. Yeah, and here's a setup that I have here. These are some beautiful flowers. Okay, so these are basically for a happy occasion and stuff. But the point is, when you kind of get into design and space and everything, what you have to take care of is that if you're recommending a vertical landscape garden, if you're recommending a balcony garden, if you're recommending a home interiors idea with flowers and plants and stuff, you got to keep this in mind. Try and take a look at the energy of the people and stuff and then recommend. Okay, so this is not one simple logic that works for everybody, but on the whole, if there is good music playing, if there is good energy, flowers will last more, plants will last more. And if it is bad energy, negative energy, depleting energy, then obviously your plants also responds. So I'll give you an example. So you place pick up a vase and place it outside your house and take care of it. And the second one, place another plant outside your house and start taking care of it. So which one is going to work better? Obviously the one you're taking care of and stuff and all that. Okay, so plants are responding to how you kind of treat them and how you behave with them and stuff. So it's not just the music, it's also your own kind of energy that they're responding to the care and everything and all that. And definitely they make you feel good and great. So if you want to improve the longevity of the plants and stuff, you got to take care of them, including flowers. So you have water sprayed on them. You get these piss, what do you call these bottles with the spray effect. So you spray it on the flowers, keep your greenery clean and stuff, and you see how it is. You can also have some incense oil, or you can have some diffuser oil and everything, maybe a drop or two poured into the water, so your rooms and everything look good. So if you're in hotels, you're in apartments, if you're in a massage center, if you're in a parlor, if you're in a hairdressing space, if you're in a office, if you're in a library, if you're in a studio, or if you're also carrying them in your cars or something like that, they automatically have an uplifting feeling about it. Okay, so that's that. So take a look at this, the natural beauties. Aren't these amazing? Just look at the combination and stuff. And of course you have the colors, the yellow color there, the white color there. So it's also on the choice of the flowers that you choose, which derive and which kind of work on how you're feeling and everything and all that. And greenery, definitely, I've been sharing this. I'm reminding you again that greenery definitely has a grounding effect. It's not just nature. Greenery automatically uplifts you and makes you feel good. So try and kind of hang around in zones, or create zones maybe in your lobbies or in your houses or in your balconies or in your apartments where you have greenery, and you take care of all of them. Okay, so love and luck and take care. Hope all well. So I'm at the golf club right now. So I'm recovering, so that's that. And I'm also sharing that I may not be able to kind of meet up and spend too much of time with people because I've got some tooth issues and stuff to take care of and stuff. I thought it was just one, but it's a little more, complicated for now, but all good, all under control and stuff. So thank you for understanding and thank you for your patience and everything. And if I'm not connecting and if I'm not getting in touch with you or meeting you and stuff, it's because of the fact that I've got this treatment going on and stuff. So all is well, all is great, all is good. So thank you for your prayers. And to my people who I normally chant and pray with and stuff, I won't be doing too much of it, and I will not be calling too many of my friends and family and stuff. So thank you for being so understanding and everything, and take care and enjoy the sunshine in the morning. Enjoy the nature around you, enjoy the beautiful sunset, enjoy the beautiful infrastructure, the nature, enjoy the joyful stuff like flowers and plants and stuff. Take care of the animals and everything, because all of that definitely on the whole kind of makes you feel good and great and stuff. And it's not like you have to depend on people or a relationship or anything to make you feel good, okay? So it's nature, it's animals, it's plants, it's flowers, it's floral beauty, everything combined, nicely put and taken care of, definitely has a feel good factor. And we talk so much about mental health and stuff. I think what's very, very important is to kind of have good emotional health. So avoid dark psychology, avoid dark stuff and all that. If you really want to feel good in the long run, recommended is to look at positive, uplifting stuff. What lifts you, what feels good, what doesn't remind you of some negative stuff. If somebody's trying to remind you of that, flush it and move on, and focus on the positive stuff and all that, and enjoy. So let me take you around to another place. I'm sure you will agree with me that flora architecture and biodesign definitely something which adds so much of beauty to the lives of environments and homes and hotels and spaces and stuff. Okay, so here's another one. Here you go. So this is a beautiful setup that they have here. So if something is getting you down, if something is not feeling good, if something is bothering you, switch off and take charge of how you feel, and walk into a space where you